Mayor Sam Joshi of Edison, New Jersey, addresses the recent influx of undocumented migrants in the municipality, asserting his commitment to protecting the freedoms and future of residents. As a first-generation American with a family that immigrated legally, Joshi empathizes with the migrants' challenges that emphasizes the strain on local resources. Highlighting the financial and social limitations, Joshi, in response to buses arriving with migrants, has instructed law enforcement to charter buses for their return to the U.S.-Mexico border. Expressing disapproval of sanctuary city policies, he advocates for strengthened border measures and reinforces support for legal immigration in the municipality, proud of its diverse immigrant population.
I want to share my position with you regarding the recent migrant situation. This is a national issue that has now landed here in Edison. As the son of immigrants, being a first-generation American whose entire family immigrated to the U.S. through a legal process, this is a subject I can certainly understand. Much like how my own family wanted the freedoms of America, it is our collective responsibility to protect those freedoms in our future. My responsibility as mayor is to the residents and taxpayers of this municipality. Over the last several days, I have been made aware of at least 2 buses filled with undocumented migrants arriving in Edison. We are all aware that these migrants are faced with very difficult and dangerous situations abroad. That being said, there is a standard by which our tax dollars have to be fairly distributed. And Edison does not have the financial or social service resources required. We cannot afford to put them in long-term hotel stays or provide housing or educational services to our already overcrowded schools. I am mindful of the many barriers and challenges that the immigration process may bring, especially as my own family members, the majority of my friends, and much of the Edison community went through it legally themselves. Immigration is a responsibility of the federal government, including its shortfalls, which cannot be filled by our municipality or simply passed off to another mayor. It must be addressed at the national level. We as a community, whether it be in our conversations one-on-one or on larger platforms, should not vilify or dehumanize these individuals. We have a responsibility to protect Edison while still holding empathy and understanding for those trying to find a better home. This burden, however, will not fall on our residents and taxpayers. As mayor, my responsibility and #1 priority is the families and the future of Edison.